Today we're going to make tofu hamburger steak along with spinach fried rice and then sweet potato miso soup.
Healthy tofu hamburger steak.
Finely chop the onion. Do the same with the carrot. Chop it nice and small. Place both in a bowl and microwave for about 1 minute to soften. Take the bowl out and let the vegetable cool down a bit. Wrap the tofu in paper towels and microwave it for 3 minutes. This helps remove excess moisture. Once done, take it out and let it cool completely. It's important that the tofu and the vegetable are not too hot because if they are, the egg will start to cook when you mix it in. In a large bowl, combine the tofu, onion, carrot, salt, egg, breadcrumbs, grated ginger, and a bit of pepper. Mix everything thoroughly until it becomes sticky and well combined. If the mixture feels too soft, add a little more breadcrumbs to adjust the texture. Shape the mixture into small oval patty. Heat some oil in a frying pan. Place the patties in a pan and cook over medium heat until nicely brown on one side. Flip them over, cover with a lid, and let it steam cook through. Once they are done, place them on the plate. Each tofu patty with a shiso leaf and a bit of grated daikon radish. Finish with a drizzle of ponzu sauce.
Let's make spinach fried rice.
Start by chopping the spinach into bite-sized pieces. Then, finely mince the garlic so it blends nicely with the rice later. Crack the eggs into a bowl. Beat them well until smooth. Next, mix the beaten eggs directly into the freshly cooked rice. This simple step helps coat each grain, making the fried rice light, fluffy, and not sticky. In a pan, heat a little vegetable oil. Add the minced garlic and cook it slowly over low heat. Taking your time here brings out the garlic aroma without burning it. Once the oil is hot and fragrant, add the rice and egg mixture. Turn up the heat and stir fry everything quickly over high heat. Sprinkle in some Chinese-style soup stock powder to deepen the flavor. As the rice starts to separate and turn golden, toss in the chopped spinach. Continue stir frying until the spinach wilts and everything is well combined. Finishing off by seasoning with salt and pepper to taste. And just like that, it's ready to serve. To make the presentation neat and beautiful, scoop the rice into a small bowl. Press it down gently. Place a flat plate on top, then flip it over in one smooth motion. You get a perfectly domed serving that looks great on any table.
Next, we're going to make miso soup with sweet potato and onion.
Wash the sweet potato thoroughly. Slice it into half-moon shapes, keeping the skin on. Soak the slices in water for about 10 minutes to remove excess starch and bitterness. Thinly slice the onion into bite-sized pieces. Finely chop some green onions for garnish later. In a small pot, pour in some water. You can use a dashi pack or instant powder one. Either works just fine. Add the sweet potato and onion to the pot. Let everything simmer over medium heat for about 5 minutes. Check the sweet potato by poking it with a skewer. It should go through easily. Now dissolve some miso into a broth. Make sure not to boil it after adding the miso, as that can weaken its delicate flavor and aroma. Once everything is gently heated through, it's ready to serve. Ladle the soup into bowls and top it off with a sprinkle of green onions. A simple, comforting miso soup with the sweetness of sweet potato.